Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Here is weekly review on DSY, EURUSD and GBPUSD. So let's get started with DSY. So we can see that last week we have a serious rally on DSY, a very strong bullish run DSY, and due to the inflation news, the CPI that came out on on dollar, and for that reason, we have a very bullish run on DSY, and which we saw that we have a sell-off on currency. So this week, what are we looking out for? Now, DSY has rallied to a very critical area. We're in a place of resistance. Now, from daily time perspective, since price fill up this liquidity void, and we see it sweep liquidity here, then we have been seen to push up, break of structure, then price move. Now, critically, price closed with a bullish, very bullish candle on Friday, and in a serious supply area. So for price could not break close above this supply, that will lead us that this coming week we could experience a pullback. So above this supply area, we have this liquidity that's still residing here. Why is liquidity residing here? Because we have this place is a very low, weak high. Because why is it a weak high? Because price this low failed to take out this low. This is our range. We look at it on daily perspective. This is our range. This is our low, and this is our high. And for this low failure to take out this low, it make this high a vulnerable high. So with time, we could see that price may come to sweep out this liquidity, but time will tell about this. So this coming week, we'll be experiencing two things: price breakouts from this supply, then come back to test some liquidity here, internal liquidity. Then we see price coming back to do what? To clear this buy side external liquidity. Or secondly, we can see price coming back to retest this, fill up this liquidity void that is here. So for example, we have this fair value gap that is here. So maybe something of this nature, then that will give us a rally. So this coming week, we'll see what price we print out, what DSY print out. Here we have a very big imbalance that price has yet to fill. So I'm expecting price coming to do what? To fill up this sell side internal liquidity. Then before we see a push up, then coming back to claim this buy side internal liquidity. So this is what I'm looking at on DSY in this coming week. This is my view on DSY in this coming week. Let's not forget that this coming week is also, we have a very serious fundamental before us. On Monday, we have retail sales. You can see we have Imperial State Manufacturing Index. We have sales retail MMM. So these are critical news that can trigger dollar for more bullish run, or if we have a negative outcome of this fundamental news, it can push down, it can make dollar to come down and fill up all this imbalance before we could see another bull run. But my bias on dollar overall is bullish. My bias on dollar overall is bullish, as long as we still stay above 102. So we could experience more bullish on dollar until come to claim this liquidity, buy side liquidity that's above here. So now, let's move to 4 hours and see what price. So now on 4 hours, so we can see now that we have some liquidity that is residing here. We have some liquidity, some low. We have this strong imbalance that is here. So price can come to take out this low that is here, come to this imbalance. This imbalance here, then from there, we begin to experience this bullish run on dollar. So this is this is what I'm looking out on DSY. So let's now move to Euro USD and see. So if by next week that we could experience a bullish, a little retracement on dollar, then we should also experience a retracement on Euro USD, GBP USD, and all related dollar pairs. But one thing we should know that dollar is very bullish, and our bias is stay on buying dollar and selling currency. So whatever buying that may occur on Euro USD next week is just a pullback. It's just what? A pullback that will be seen. So now on Euro USD, what do we see? Now low liquidity has been taken from this low. So clearly we can see that price take out this liquidity here. So price has taken out what? Liquidity from this low. And below this low, we have this imbalance that is here, daily imbalance. So one thing we could see is we could see price coming back to retest this imbalance, to mitigate this imbalance. Then we have a buy from this place, which will lead us to filling of this imbalance, buy side imbalance, therefore another push down. So this is what we will be experiencing on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, as we go into the new week, or we could see the pullback to cover at least this imbalance. Then before this imbalance we come and be filled up. So we have a lot of buy side internal imbalance, liquidity that's not been mitigated, and price may reprice all this place before we have this, before we have the sell that will come and mitigate this sell side imbalance. So jumping to 4 hours. So jumping to 4 hours. So if we take so from this high to this place now our premium, we have our premium, we have our discount, and we have what? Our premium, our equilibrium, and our discount. So if price fail to come to this imbalance, to fill this imbalance, then when price we could experience our price pushing up to any area of this premium, then we have price coming back to fill up this FEG that is here. So this is how I will be looking at Euro USD. So coming next week. So looking at price coming back to imbalance to premium, then look for a sell opportunity from premium, and that will take back to this imbalance that we see on daily time frame. So it depends what price printouts from Monday, especially when the news is released. So we have seen, but we could experience some pullback by next week, because we have seen that the Euro USD have really overstretched, and market price doesn't just go in one side. So we have this stretch, then we have this great impulse, then we should have a correction. But maybe by Monday, we have some ranging here that will take price back to premium, then before the sell. So I'll be looking in a bigger picture. I'll be looking for a sell around premium from this swing high to this swing low. So I'll be looking for sell opportunity around this premium that will take price back to this fair value gap that is here. So this is my view on Euro USD. So how market open on Monday will determine price coming here first to retest this imbalance. Then we'll now begin to see retracement that will take us to this buy side internal liquidity, or we see price just a full retracement, price retraced to this, to it, then we see a sell. So we'll linear these two way, but the major thing is to look for a sell opportunity from on this premium side of our 4 hours time frame. So that is Euro USD. Then GBP USD. So let's look at GBP USD, the same scenario on 4 hours. So when we look at it, let's look at it from daily time frame. We can see that also liquidity has been swept from GBP USD. This low, this is sweeping of liquidity. So price sweep liquidity here. So price has swept this liquidity. Liquidity has been swept. Then we have this sell side imbalance that is here on daily, that price can push to, then before we have the pullback, or since price have swept this liquidity, then we could experience our price coming back to this area, then before we have this massive sell. So let's look at it on 4 hour time frame. On 4 hour time frame, now that price has swept liquidity from here, then we have this demand, this supply area that is here. Then we also have this supply area that will not be mitigated that at all, this area. So what should we be expecting? Expect price coming here, then sell. That is one scenario. Or price push in higher, then sell. So this is second scenario that we should be experiencing expecting price to do in this coming week. So personally, I will be looking for opportunity to do what? To sell pounds, when it are on a retracement to premium or to this supply area here and look for opportunity to sell pound. So this is my viewpoint on Euro USD, GBP USD, and DSY. Then gold. Quick one, let's look at gold. So gold, we have a very bullish run on gold for a while now, and we have seen very bullish run. So where we are on gold, let's move to 4 hours and look at market structures on 4 hours. So on gold, already we have this break of structure. Then, so now that we have a break of structure, we have this demand area. So we have this demand area, then we have this low. Now we have this low. For gold to start selling, a proper sell, price has to take out this low to reprice. Then we should have a sell like this. But as long as price still remain above 2319, then gold still remain bullish. So here now, from here by next week, we'll see if we can get a bullish on gold that will come to take out this buy side external liquidity. So my buyout on gold is still what? A bullish run. Until we see a very clear break of this 4 hours low, then price will reprice. Then we'll see all this targeting all this low. So this is what I'm looking out on gold. So all right, guys, this is my viewpoint on Euro USD, DSY, GBP USD, and gold. So coming to next week, we have a lot of fundamental news. We have to trade carefully, put on our risk management. Risk management is something that we have control over. We do not have control over the market, but we do have control over our risk management. So stay tuned. Please subscribe to the channel. Your comment, your feedback is very, very important. Like and give us your feedback about this analysis. And make sure you subscribe to the channel so that every day I make sure I release one a video on one currency pair, and so that you will not miss out. Thank you.